let's go and play with it. This is for your arts. I can't wait to unbox it. Wow! Let's start. Let's turn this on and pick a marker. I picked the blue one. Let's get it in here and see how it works. Whoa! Let's try it. Let's try this teddy bear. Let's see how it will look like. And the teddy bear blue. Where's this blue? Let's see how it turns out then. Whoa, it's so cool. Okay, now let's try this one. I want to try it. Let's first start with the lips. So her lips would be red. So I would close the black and take the red to do her lips. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Ooh. It's going really slow. There, that's me. The lips turned out a bit. Okay, I'll try to make, yeah, so the lips. There. So now, look at the lips. Oh my gosh. Now let's do the black one. I'll close it and take black. So like, I'm gonna make the outlining for this, because they're like outlining. Now I'll start from here. Wait. Okay, great. Now let's check it out. Whoa! It's so cool. I'm gonna make the inside already. So I'm gonna close this and make the inside. To make it sure it. Here. Okay, let's see how it will turn out in 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's good. It's good. It's good. It's cool. So cool. Now I'm just gonna do the neck and the necklace, which is so easy. So I'm gonna do the hair yellow. So I'm starting here. It's like turning out like glitter. It is turning out like glitter. Okay, I did the first part. Wow, it looks so beautiful. Now I'll do something else. Or I'll do the earrings right now. I would like the earrings to be like the diamond. So I'll color them blue. So I'm gonna close the yellow and put the blue inside the spray art machine. Here, I'll keep them. Yep. Yeah. I'm gonna make the other one. I know it's gonna get a bit smaller. I'll do the other one. cool. So nice. Okay, it's super easy. Now let's take it out. Whoa! Whoa, it turns out so cool. So I'm gonna make the tree, but by mistake I removed it, so I'm gonna keep it back. Inside, and let's color. Let's keep it here. I think it will turn out perfect. Okay, now I'll take the black and go. Whoa! Everything is turning out so cool. Now I'll do the lightning. The lightning will be yellow. So I'm gonna take the color yellow and keep it inside the spray machine. And start coloring the lightning. Yeah, so I'll start out. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Cool, I like it. Now to the skate shoe, actually. I'm gonna draw this roller skate. It's not a roller skate, like skate. So I'll color here like blue and here black. So I'm gonna remove the yellow and keep first the black, because we need to first keep the black so that we won't miss out or stay like we didn't do it. So let's start. Let's press it and start. Okay, done. Hope it doesn't move. Okay, it didn't move. I'll now get the blue and start. The blue is like the green. Okay, let's check the result in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! It's so cool! I just want to keep doing more and more. So, like, now what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna take like another one to do. So like, I'm going to do one of those. Yeah, it looks pretty good. So like, I'm gonna draw an upside down bear with the party hat. I'm gonna do this cupcake. So the wrapper will be blue and the cream will be red. So I'm gonna start with the wrapper, which is the color blue. Put it inside the art machine and start. First, let's keep it in a safe spot like this. And now we can move on. Okay, it's moved so quick. Okay. Now we're needing the red. Now I'm gonna do the cream. Put the red inside the spray art machine. Press it. And start with the cream. Hope it will turn out good. Let's make it a bit faster by pressing this. Okay, I think it's gonna go faster. Now that's what I call 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Oh my gosh, it's so cool. I made so many designs and I'm so happy with them. Look at my hands. Bye bye.